Must do's in Bournemouth area.
What are the what?
Must do's. So if you have a friend that's coming
Must
from London
do's.
to Bournemouth, what must you do?
Number one is go to the beach. How could you
The
come Bournemouth
beach.
and not go to the beach?
Have to go to the beach.
Sometimes me and my friend like stroll. No, it's really bad, but stroll to the beach at night. It's
Okay.
bad.
What else? What are like some other things must do's in Bournemouth?
um, go to Halo, but when there's a guest.
Halo. So who have you
When
seen in Halo that they brought down to Bournemouth?
I've seen Tion Wayne, Notes, Young T and Bugsy. I think that's about it for Halo.
Okay. So again, so
There are
anything else
quite a
like
few
must
people.
do? So go Halo when there's someone
Go
there.
Halo,
Beach.
beach. Dylan's. Go to Dylan's.
So what is Dylan's?
Dylan's is a bar that's inside the uni.
And why do you suggest you must go to Dylan's?
Go to Dylan's. The prices of the drinks are cheap.
Hmm?
It's just a vibe. It's just a vibe. Like between one of your lectures, just go to Dylan's.
So it's a nice place to be while you're just waiting for your lecture.
Yeah, and you can eat there as well. It's
Okay.
not just about the drinks.
So obviously